Look how small it is. See? What do you guys think about this now? It looks better than new. The most common problem with if you put a new seals in the front suspension is the surface on the tube is still scratched. You know, it's got wear on it. If you don't polish it before you put this back with new seals, the seals are gonna wear off very quick and they're gonna fail again. And that work is pointless, you know. Many people don't do that, but I'll show you how to polish it properly and very nice. But now have a look. I'm gonna show you in a minute. Have a look how many wear and scratches is there. Now we're gonna see this right bar. Let's have a look on the surface. Is many small scratches and is some kind of wear there around this tube. And now I'm gonna show you how to polish this for really nice, and then you can put the new seals. Don't put new seals if you don't do that, you see? It's even very big thin scratch there. We have to get rid of it. I'll show you how. Of course, make sure it's 2000 or 2000 and all of 2500 sandpaper, because you're gonna scratch it if it's not 2000, which has less than 2000. And just do it like that. Look how small it is. See? Now we're gonna use the polish paste for the metal, okay? And then you can find some old sacks and just put it like that over your glove, you see? And then put a little bit of polish paste on this. Okay. Nice. And then let's do it like that. Just polish it. Okay, that's done. Final wipe. Now have a look how smooth is this, you know. If you still got somewhere some scratches, just continue this process with polishing, but just like now, for me is fine. It's beautiful, you know. It's don't need any more, and that's it, you know.